Let's talk about another one here. Shares of Snap, snares of Shap, are in focus following a downgrade from Jefferies from buy to hold, a $10 price target, although that's above where they are now, citing rising competition and macro headwinds that could limit the company's revenue growth. You see the shares right now down 9%. There's a transfer of coverage here to James Heaney, who's now covering the stock, and says that the street is overly optimistic on digital advertising growth in 23 and 24, which is interesting because obviously we've seen a re-rating of the whole sector. Anyone that's exposed to digital advertising, he's effectively saying you've not come down enough.
Yeah, Snap shares down, Julie, 82% year to date. So interesting to see this call now.
Yes.
Well, I mean, yeah, and they're saying that they believe Snap is going to continue to face several headwinds, including the iOS 14.5 privacy changes, worsening macro picture, intense competition. Many of the factors they say are well understood, but it's really just the fact that some of the estimates, as you mentioned, still appear too optimistic, even at this point, for the brand of Ghostface Chilla.
But also no catalyst. There's analysts noting they don't really see any catalyst to get the stock really out of the doldrums, which is a major red flag. That's why I think you're seeing the sell-off just accelerate today.
Well, we're also seeing more people, even when there are some of the tightening of consumer discretionary dollars, more people still are looking at social media to get their shopping inspiration, at least right now. But it's not necessarily Snap that they're going towards for that. And I think that's where the advertiser dollar flow through is starting to dry up for them, because if they're saying, okay, we can't just have a strategy for our marketing dollars that goes across every single platforms and saturates the consumer and the screen time that they have. It's really more of a question of, all right, what do they chop off in that? And Snap is probably.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not buying Lip Plumper off of Snap. It's just not going to happen.
No.
Not gonna happen.
Are you buying it off of
I'm not buying anything
else?
off of Snap at all.
You're buying Lip Pumper off of
I'm not telling
somewhere
you,
else?
I'm not telling you that.